Prime Minister Narendra Modi will lay foundation stones for development projects valued at 7,300 crore rupees and inaugurate projects worth 1,200 crore rupees during his visit to Manipur tomorrow. Manipur Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal today officially confirmed Prime Minister Narendra Modi's visit to Manipur during a press meet that was held at Conference Hall of Old Secretariat. Speaking to media persons, Chief Secretary Puneet Kumar Goyal informed that the Prime Minister will land in Churachandpur at around 12:15 p.m. tomorrow, where he will interact with internally displaced persons in the district. He will lay foundation stone of various infrastructural projects to be taken up throughout the state at Peace Ground, Churachandpur, and will also address the public gathering present there. Thereafter, Prime Minister Modi will arrive at Kangla at around 2 p.m. and interact with the internally displaced persons. The Prime Minister will also inaugurate various developmental projects within and outside the state. Among the projects for which foundation stones will be laid include the 3,647 crore rupees worth Manipur Urban Routes, Drainage and Asset Management Improvement Project. Project to strengthen 120 high schools and higher secondary schools in all 16 districts. Upgradation of National Highway 102A Sangshak Technopole section for budget worth 1,280 crore rupees. Two laning of a National Highway 202 under Bharat Mala Pariyojana in Ukhrul district with cost of 1,284 crore rupees. Prime Minister Modi will also inaugurate various projects such as the Civil Secretariat, ITSEZ Building 1, New Police Headquarters at Manipur, Manipur Bhavan at Dwarka, New Delhi, Manipur Bhavan at Salt Lake in Kolkata, 4 Imam markets in Technopole, None, Palel and Moirang, Hostel for Paramedical and Allied Sciences at Jenims and various other completed projects. Speaking further, Chief Secretary Goyal appealed people to welcome Prime Minister Narendra Modi, calling the visit as pathway towards peace and normalcy in the state.
Appreciates the efforts of Manipur, both in the hills and the valley, for successfully moving forward to restore peace and normalcy in the state. Thus, the visit of Honorable Prime Minister to the state paved way for peace, normalcy, accelerated growth in the state. Honorable PM will be arriving in Manipur on 13 September 2025 from Aizawl. On his arrival at Churachandpur around 12:15 p.m., he will first interact with some of the internally displaced persons in the district. He will lay foundation stone of various infrastructure projects to be taken up throughout the state. The Honorable Prime Minister will address the public gathering at Peace Ground, Churachandpur. He will arrive at Kangla around 2:30 p.m. and first interact with some of the IDPs in the valley area. The Honorable Prime Minister will be inaugurating various development projects within and outside the state belonging to Manipur. The Honorable Prime Minister will address the public gathering at Kangla.